capitalize your MINTS. Each letter in the acronym MINTS stands for a capitalization rule. We'll go over each one with easy to understand examples. M is for months, days, and holidays. These always get capitalized. For example, January, Monday, and Thanksgiving. Some people get confused and apply this rule to seasons, but seasons are only capitalized when part of titles. In the sentence, I love winter, the word winter would not be capitalized, but in Winter Olympics, winter is capitalized because it's part of a title. Next up, we have I. I is easy. It stands for the pronoun I. No matter where it is in a sentence, it will always be capitalized. For example, I like pizza. Or, when will I see you? Next, we have N. N is for names. These types of names include the names of people, places, brands, and special things. For example, for people, we could say Alex, Maria, or Dr. Kim. For places, we could say Seoul, Detroit, or Europe. For things or brands, we could say Eiffel Tower, Starbucks, or Google. A trick to keeping this rule in your mind is to remember that if it's something specific with a proper name, capitalize it. If it's a general noun that isn't specific, don't. For example, river is general and non-specific. Amazon River is specific, so you capitalize it. T is for titles. This covers book titles, movie titles, job titles when acting as proper nouns, and titles of respect. For example, for books and movies, we could use Finding Nemo or Harry Potter. For people's job titles, we could say President Lincoln, CEO, or Mr. Johnson. S stands for start of a sentence. You should always capitalize the first word of a sentence. This includes quotes and dialogues, even if they are at the beginning or end of the sentence. For example, my school starts at 8 a.m. Or, where are you going for vacation? Capitalization doesn't have to be confusing. Just remember your MINTS and your writing will always shine.